Welcome back to Sir Eric Podcast. So far, we've covered procurement methods, stakeholders, and supplier assessment. Now we move into something very practical and modern forms of procurement, traditional and electronic procurement. We will look at how procurement used to be done, how it is done, Ghana's legal framework, and how it works in hospital, and the benefits and challenges. Let's start with a simple question. Imagine you are working at a hospital. The procurement needs to advertise a tender, receive bid, evaluate suppliers, store records. Now you ask yourself, should all this be done manually or can it be done digitally? That question gives us the two forms of procurement, traditional procurement and electronic procurement, that is e-procurement. Traditional procurement, let's start with the older system. What is traditional procurement? Traditional procurement is a manual, paper-based system of carrying out procurement activities. This means documents are printed, bids are submitted physically, records are stored in files. Now let's look at how it works. In a traditional system, 1. A department raises a requisition, that is in a paper form. 2. Procurement prepares document manually. 3. Tender is advertised physically, that is the newspapers. 4. Suppliers submit hard copy bids. 5. Bids are opened physically. 6. Evaluation is done manually. 7. Files are stored physically. Now let's relate it to our hospital. At Rich Hospital, a department fills a paper requisition form, procurement prints tender document, suppliers bring envelopes physically, whilst files are stored in cabinets. Everything depends on human handling and physical records. Let's look at the advantages of traditional procurement. It is easy to understand. It does not require advanced technology. It is suitable where digital systems are not available. Disadvantages of traditional procurement. Now, this is important. Traditional systems often face problems such as slow processes, loss of document, poor record keeping, limited transparency, higher risk of corruption, difficulty in tracking information. From our notes, we realize that manual systems often lead to poor visibility and delays, and that affects decision making. Let's move to electronic procurement, e-procurement. This is the modern system. What is e-procurement? E-procurement is the use of electronic and digital systems to carry out procurement processes. This includes online tendering, electronic bidding, digital record keeping, automated evaluation. This is how it works. Instead of paper, 1. Requisitions are submitted electronically. 2. Tenders are advertised online. 3. Suppliers submit bids digitally. 4. Evaluation is done using systems. 5. Records are stored electronically. In Ghana, efforts have been made to digitize procurement through electronic government procurement system. This system supports transparency, efficiency, and better monitoring. It aligns with the Public Procurement Act and modern reforms. E-procurement in a hospital setting. Let's come back to Rich Hospital. With e-procurement, departments submit requests digitally. Procurement uploads tenders online. Suppliers apply from anywhere. Data is stored in a system and decisions are tracked. Also, systems like logistics information systems help track stocks, orders, and then supply chain data. Let's look at the key differences. The difference is not just manual versus digital, it is about efficiency. Traditional is slow, it's paper-based. E-procurement is fast and digital. Traditional has a limited access. E-procurement has a wider access. Traditional has low transparency and e-procurement also has higher transparency. Let's look at benefit of e-procurement. E-procurement helps to speed up procurement processes, improve transparency, reduce corruption, improve record keeping, enhance decision making, and allow wider supplier participation. Challenges of e-procurement. Even though it is beneficial, it has challenges. Higher initial cost of implementation, need for trained personnel, internet and infrastructure issues, resistance to change, cybersecurity risk. How to address these challenges? To make e-procurement effective, organizations must train staff, invest in infrastructure, ensure reliable internet, develop strong policies, create awareness and acceptance, implement security systems. Let's look at legal framework in Ghana. Procurement in Ghana is guided by Public Procurement Act 2003, Act 663 as amended, Public Procurement Regulations 2022, L12466. These laws regulate procurement processes, ensure compliance, promote accountability, and many more. E-procurement systems must operate within these laws. Now let's bring everything together. Traditional procurement is manual, slower, less efficient. E-procurement is digital, faster, more transparent. Both aim at the same goal: efficient and accountable procurement. Procurement is evolving from paper-based systems to digital systems that improve transparency and efficiency. And in healthcare, this transformation means faster delivery of essential supplies, better service delivery, improved patient outcomes.